How to transfer WhatsApp to your new phone without losing chats. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp in an old phone. Then navigate to the Settings tab. Once you're over here, head over to this option Chats. Now click on the option Chat Backup. Click on the option Auto Backup. Make sure you have taken for the option Daily. Then you can head back. Now you can enable for the option of Include Videos. Now click on Backup Now. Once you have backed up all the chats of your WhatsApp, now what you can do is head back to your new device, install WhatsApp, provide credentials and try to log in. WhatsApp will find your backup automatically. When you're trying to log into your WhatsApp in another device, you will be asked if you want to restore your chats. Tap Restore and wait for it to finish. It may take a few minutes if you have lots of messages in media. Once the restore is done, all your old chats would appear on your new phone just like before. Make sure your new phone is connected to Wi-Fi during the whole process to avoid extra data charges. And that's it. Now you can pick up your conversations right where you left off. If this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.